Good morning, my fellow entrepreneurs, my fellow go-getters, my daily breadwinners. How are you doing? I know it's been a while since my last video. I think it was the one where my face froze while I was detailing a car in 20-degree weather. I don't know why I did that, but hey, as fellow entrepreneurs, small business owners, we do what we got to do to feed our families and ourselves and thrive in this community and this economy, whatever you want to do. But today we are doing both. Both. When I say both, we're mowing lawns this morning. We got about 5 properties to mow, and we're detailing a car. Now, the car that we're detailing is my brother's Mercedes. It's been sitting through some rain and stuff, so we're gonna knock out these lawns, and I'm gonna bring you along today and show you what I'm doing, because it's been a while since I brought y'all along, and I'm so sorry. I've been so busy grinding, and no excuses, but I'm bringing you along today and show you my day-to-day as a lawn, mowing lawns and a car detailing thing today. So that's what's gonna be. That's what we're in for today. All right. But we're here at our first property, and let's get it done, guys. see. Got to knock down. I just gotta weed eat. So I don't know if you could tell, but I'm struggling a little bit with the self-propelled because I've never used self-propelled. Well, I have, but I've never ran self-propelled in my business, so I'm a little out of sync with it. Plus, it's a new machine, so I'm learning its quirks, its kinks, and all that. But overall, I love the machine. I love the cut. I'm cutting them on setting 2. I don't know what the actual height is, but it's setting 2. So get this weeding around. Pull this machine back up, and let's finish it out. Done. Knock this one in 30 minutes. We're in Forney, so we got 2 in Rowlett. So we're headed to Rowlett, and then we're headed back to Mesquite. So one of them is a monthly, one of them is a bi-weekly. One of them, the bi-weekly, I did 2 weeks ago, and it was horrible. They had been calling me to skip service. They didn't want to, I guess they didn't want to pay for it that day or something, I don't know. But we got it taken care of, but we'll see you on the next one. Property number 2 done. Let's go to the next one. Number 3. All done. So this is the one that I was telling you that they kept skipping service. And yeah, but We got it looking good, guys. All trimmed up. So over there, here, I'll show you. They got a water leak, and I've told them about it before. And I try not to run my lawnmower in there, but after a while, it just tears up that grass, and I feel so bad about doing it. But I can only mention it so many times until, you know, they fix it, but they don't seem to care. So I think it's a rental property for them, but I don't know. I'll just keep mowing it and try my best not to mess up the grass over there, you know. But yeah, let's go on to number 4, guys. We're almost done for the lawn mowing. Oops, sorry. We're almost done mowing for today, and then I'm gonna call my brother up, pick up the kids and home, bring it by his car to the house, and we'll start detailing that. So yeah, let's see on the 4th one. Number 4, it's a small backyard, side yard. Close this gate. Close this gate. Got one more, and that's a partial lot. That's just it's just gonna be a backyard, and usually they have a dog, so with the dog being in the backyard and all the poop that it does back there, it's a jungle back there. I'll just see if I can bring you in for a video, but yeah, let's go knock this last one out and go detail some cars. Yeah. So this is the partial property that I was talking about. This is just a backyard only, and as you can see, it's not as bad, because I knocked it down about a week and a half ago. They're on a bi-weekly schedule. But let's get this done and let's go get some food. I'm hungry. I don't know, I'm feeling something good, so let's see. What should I get? There it is, guys. All mowed down. Now, so this customer has a dog. Oh yeah, like I mentioned, has a dog, and they don't clean up after the dog, so the dog toys are everywhere, dog poop everywhere. So we end up charging a dog food fee, and they know, so you know, no complaint here. But I'm just letting you know, if you have your customers, make sure you charge dog food fee. Customers will pay it. Alright, I'm sorry about my hat. I washed it, but that's gonna be it for the lawn mowing, guys. I only have 5 yards because I'm so slammed with everything else during the week, you know, with the detailing, and then events will slowly starting to come back. I'm gonna bring you around for that Mercedes that I'm gonna detail later on today. It might be later on for the day once the heat comes down, but either way, I'll try to show you that part. Alright, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in a bit. So I got my brother back here at the house. We're about to detail his Mercedes. It's a C300 Sport. You can tell it's not too dirty, but he's been wanting me to clean it just after he got it. It's not too bad, but you know, these car dealerships don't do a good job, so we're gonna take care of it. We're gonna wax it and all that, but yeah, I'll try to show you as much as I can, guys, but stay tuned. Got it all nice and washed. Now we're gonna work on the interior. It ain't too bad. He's pretty good about keeping his car clean. This, I think they try to paint the leather again, or they burnt it or something. But yeah, so dirt stains on the back to the kick plates. But yeah, we're gonna knock out this interior and then I'll bring you back once we're done with it. All right, we're all dressed, wiped down, leather cleaned. We're just gonna throw some wax on it, dress the tires, and call it done. Look at that finish though, that's just a wash. It looks amazing. We got it washed, waxed, dressed, interior cleaned, everything. Check it out. That looks like a mirror finish. Man, oh man. Gonna be one of the cleanest C300s out on the road. Thanks to courtesy of El Camino Auto Detailing. Looks amazing. That's gonna be it for today, guys. I know it was a long day, but appreciate you sticking around. Thank you so much. If you appreciate what I'm doing at this channel, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Share. But I'm gonna go eat some food, clean up, and get ready for another day of detailing tomorrow. All right, guys? We'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Peace.